Okay, hello wonderful people. So today I'm going to show you guys how we are going to make a copy of the check-ins from my Google Classroom, advisory Google Classroom, and going to be able to put it on yours. I hear a lot of people have been having trouble with this, so we're going to show you how to do it. Okay. So first things first, you want to make sure that you see where your assignment is. So let's say I posted assignment and it was like check-ins 9/19. All right, for the Mondays that you will be doing this on. All right, you will then click that. You will then see the assignment, check-ins. You'll click that. Then it should bring you up to your check-in survey, which is very important for all students. Now, if you look on the right, you will then see a little pen. You will click that pen. Then when you click that pen, it should bring you to this page. All right, then you'll be able to see these three dots right near my line face, and you will see the option that says make a copy. You will then click that. And then you will definitely make sure you change the name here. All right. And then you'll click make a copy. You will then see that make sure you exit out the other old one that you don't need, but then you now have your own and you'll check to see if your name's on that. You will then be able to then send this to your or share this with on your Google Classroom to your actual advisees. You can do it in two ways. You can go up and click send. You then go over here where it shows this little ring looking thing, and you'll see the link right there for you. All right. You can highlight the link if you want to, but I suggest just clicking copy right here. Makes your life easier. Okay, you'll highlight it for you, and then yes, it's copied. So then you can exit out. Then when you would go back to your actual page. So let's say this is your actual page where your advice to see it. You'll go to classwork. When you go to classwork, you'll then go to create. You'll go to assignment. And then from there, it'll give you a title. Just put check-ins, but always make sure you put the date for whatever the date was for that Monday. You would then go to link. And that link that you had, you could double click to paste it, or if you know how to paste it another way, you could do the Command V and it should also paste it. And then you'll add the link. And then boom, it will upload your own survey copy of the form for your advisees to complete. And you'll have full access to this. So when you click this, you'll then be able to see that, oh, you have full access. You'll be able to go back up and you can then assign this on the day of, or you can schedule it to save yourself some time. Okay, you can schedule it for wherever the day is for the next. You're only doing these on Mondays anyway, so you can schedule it for that next Monday whenever it's posted. You could put the time if you want to, get it out the way right when the students get in. You could set it for like 12 o'clock or 12:30, depending on whenever your advisory starts. Then you can schedule that thing. And it'll be all set for you. You'll have it ready. It'll be scheduled ready for you that next Monday. And then you can always go back into it to double check. And when they finish the responses, you'll then be able to go to that edit button that was down there. And you'll be able to look at the responses, see the questions. And this way you're able to monitor your students when they're checking in with you. So you check in on their goals or how their grades are doing, all that great stuff. Also be aware when students say they completely are done with their check-ins and all that, always make sure they are able to show you. You can see from here. And if there's anything that says yes, but you don't believe it, have them show you their emails if they say they're done with their emails. Have them, if they said they looked in their PowerSchool grades, ask them what their grades are. Another thing that you could do is have them communicate with their parents. If they're done with everything, have them contact their parents with their grades are. Have them take a picture of their actual grades and send it to their parents so you don't have to be doing that communication all the time. If you want to talk to the parents, by all means, yeah, you could call whenever you want. But it's always good to just, along the students are holding themselves accountable of reaching out, it's for their grade. They should be letting their parents know most of the time, especially depending on how old they are and if they have a phone or not. So be aware of that. Have a good one. Bye.